compact utility tractors are highly versatile machines. From light residential and agricultural work to horse farms, landscaping and golf courses to rental yards, these small workhorses get the job done. New compact tractors from Kubota and New Holland are attracting a lot of attention. But how do they stack up to the acknowledged leader, John Deere? We'll compare these tractors to the Deere 4000 series in appearance, in specs, in safety and serviceability, and, most importantly, in real-world performance to see if the competition has what it takes to run like a Deere. Plus, we'll hear from Deere 4000 owners to see why they chose their tractors and why John Deere has the competition covered. Let's begin with a brief look at all three lines. The advanced John Deere 4000 series compact utility tractors range from 20 to 48 horsepower. The 4000 series offers a number of innovative mechanical or hydrostatic transmission options to meet different operator needs. All 4000 series tractors come with the hydraulic capacity to take on the toughest tasks. TC compact tractors from New Holland come in a variety of configurations, ranging from 18 to 45 horsepower. Customers are given a choice of a mechanical transmission or a hydrostatic unit on all TC tractors. The TC also offers New Holland's Super Steer front-wheel drive option on all deluxe models except the TC18 and TC21. This noticeably reduces the turning radius from their conventional four-wheel drive models. We'll take a competitive look at the Super Steer option later in this program. Kubota also offers a range of compact utility tractors with their BX, B, and L series models. The B2410, 2910, and B7500 are new entries into the compact class, joining the holdover 2710, while the BX2200 is the largest of their subcompacts, producing 16.7 PTO horsepower. The Grand L10 series tractors are the most versatile of the Kubota compacts and are designed to directly compete with Deere's 4000 series. The 3010, 3410, 3710, 4310, and 4610 offer from 30 to 46 PTO horsepower. Mechanical and optional feather step hydrostatic transmissions are offered, along with a broad range of attachments. When you compare these new compact utility models from Fiat New Holland and Kubota to the 4000 series from John Deere, you see that they followed our success closely and done their homework, but they still come up short in some important areas. For innovation and ease of use, the John Deere edge is very clear. Compact tractors are popular because they are compatible with a broad range of attachments. All three manufacturers offer front loaders, mid-mount mowers, and Category 1 3-point hitches on their compacts. But which tractor line offers the most versatility, performance, and value in this competitive class? Let's compare several vital specifications. From rear-mounted finishing mowers to rotary tillers to backhoes and rotary cutters, compact utility tractors are called on to support a number of hitch-mounted attachments. Which tractor has the highest hitch capacity? It should come as no surprise that the 4000 series leads the way. The TC35 has 2,025 pounds lift capacity, and the TC40 and TC45 fare somewhat better at 2,330 pounds. Kubota offers a maximum 2,310 pound lift capacity on the L4610 model, its largest compact. The Deere 4500, 4600, and 4700 are all capable of exceeding Kubota and Fiat New Holland's best, featuring a lift capacity of 2,500 pounds. When it comes to 3-point hitch capacity and the ability to support more and larger attachments, such as 8-foot rotary cutters, no competitive compact beats the 4000 series. Many of the most popular attachments require a mid-mount PTO. And while every Deere 4000 series tractor offers both rear and mid-mount PTOs, the mid-mount is available only on select New Holland TC models and excludes the flagship TC45. Mid-PTOs are also unavailable on the two largest Kubota Grand L tractors, the L4310 and L4610. No matter which 4000 you choose, you can count on its everyday versatility, something the competition can't say. For mowing, tilling, and other tasks, an independent PTO is a real advantage. As you reach the end of a row, for example, or prepare to cross a gravel driveway, the tiller or mower deck can be disengaged and re-engaged without stopping the tractor. And no foot clutching is required. Every 4000 series tractor is available with an independent 540 PTO. By comparison, the continuous live PTO system on hydrostatic model Kubotas does not allow on-the-go engagement, and the clutch must be depressed to re-engage the mower deck or other attachment, which stops tractor travel and the PTO. For tasks that require continual disengagement of the PTO, the Deere independent PTO system simply outshines the Kubota's continuous live PTO. The key to a productive day is more working hours, and the 4000 series keeps you working longer with the best fuel range in class. Fuel capacity for the John Deere 4500, 4600, and 4700 is 12.5 gallons, significantly larger than the 9.2 gallon capacity for the Kubota L4610. Combined with the 4000 series' excellent fuel economy and clean burn engines, the result is more time working and less time refueling. That advantage extends to the smaller tractors too. For example, the Deere 4200, 4300, and 4400 have 27% more fuel capacity than their New Holland counterparts. More productive range and economical, powerful engines. Advantage, the 4000 series. For clean, efficient combustion, Deere uses direct injection on its 4200 to 4700 models. Unlike indirect injectors, which spray fuel into the cylinder from the side and require an inefficient pre-combustion chamber and starting aid, Deere's direct injectors deliver the fuel above the piston for higher compression, more complete ignition, less unburned fuel, and faster starting. Neither Fiat New Holland nor Kubota offer direct injection on any of their competitive models. Greater fuel capacity, clean burning, more efficient engines. The Deere 4000 series makes the most of every gallon. Over the course of a long workday, heat buildup can affect clutch performance and increase wear. That's why Deere has an oil-cooled wet clutch available on all 4200 to 4700 four-wheel drive models. The oil bath keeps the clutch cooler and minimizes stress on the clutch plate and other internal components. Kubotas, even the flagship Grand L models, still rely on a single-stage dry clutch. Longer life, sure, positive clutch performance in adverse conditions. The Deere wet clutch system is the clear choice when the going gets tough. In loader work, the ability to make tight turns in reverse with a bucket can make any job a lot easier. Here we see the New Holland TC series execute a tight circle. But the Deere 4000 series is even tighter by over a foot. The real benefit to this tight radius comes in those hard-to-maneuver spaces where the New Holland requires extra backing and turning. The Deere sails smoothly through, saving time and effort. With all these advantages, the Deere 4000 series has a clear-cut edge on paper. But does it have the same edge in the real world? Our biggest advantage is our Deere customers. Here's what several 4000 series owners had to say about their tractors, along with some head-to-head competition based on some of the most common tasks these machines face on a day-to-day basis.
At Briar Creek right now we're in a grow-in period, and we use this tractor pretty much exclusively for mowing. We like it for that purpose because it's a very maneuverable, very flexible tractor with a good gear selection on it for the varying terrains and varying conditions. And we have some hilly areas and we have some flat areas, and it does good all around.
Because so many tasks that compact tractors are called on to perform require great agility, a tight turning radius is vitally important. And nowhere is that more apparent than on golf courses, where precise operation is demanded every time. When it comes to operating in tight spots, the competition just can't match up. Even with the tightest turning radius, the John Deere 4000 series is gentle on turf. Note how the steering wheels of the 4000 move over delicate grass without damage, even in a full turn. The New Holland Super Steer tractor is more disruptive to the turf in a full turn, causing visible damage. For any project that requires crisp handling and turf-loving care, the John Deere 4000 series is the clear choice.
We traded off our other four-wheel drive tractor and bought this, and it's just the difference between day and night. This is 3 times the power and ease of operation. We use it for our grading, we use it for our mulching, we use it for our finishing. This is a real powerhouse.
With its higher torque rise and smooth, consistent power, the John Deere 4000 series is the choice of landscaping professionals nationwide. Many jobs call for multiple attachments, and the demands of the job require fast, easy changeover. And that's where the 4000 series Quick Attach Bucket system shines. In moments, the loader bucket on the John Deere can be changed, nearly twice as fast as on the Kubota. This means more time doing productive work and getting the job done sooner. The superior torque rise on the Deere models put power to the ground when you need it, at both low and high RPM. At 1700 RPM, the Fiat New Holland TC tractor stalls almost immediately, and the Kubota Grand L can proceed only a few feet more. The 4000 series tractor is able to power into the pile and through it, well beyond the competition. The difference is even more dramatic at 2000 RPM. Both the New Holland and Kubota stall relatively quickly. The John Deere again powers through easily, stopping only when the pile has been conquered. More power means more versatility and productivity, and the Deere 4000 series is the clear winner.
I remembered my dad always had John Deere tractors, and so we looked at those first and saw that they were so easy to use, and the fact that it really does have a light touch when it comes to using the bucket or lowering the mower, lifting it up, using the hydraulics, the four-wheel drive. The ease of use comes along with the twin touch drive, and that really made a difference for me. You don't have to use a clutch or anything like on the old John Deere tractors that I used to know when I was growing up. That and the fact that it's just very easy to back up and move forward and lift and just maneuver around. It's very easy.
The reason for the wide appeal of compact utility tractors is simple. Their big tractor versatility matched to a garden tractor's ease of operation. While all 3 manufacturers offer both gear and hydrostatic transmissions, one company has concentrated on making both options intuitive for even occasional operators: John Deere. Controls are in easy reach and are logically arranged and color-coded. Like the twin-touch foot controls found on Deere hydrostatic tractors, which permit directional changes with the touch of a foot pedal. Or the available gear options: the power reverser transmission on the 4500, 4600, and 4700 models, the collar shift transmission on the 4500 and 4600, and the sync reverser found on the 4300 and 4400 models. The power reverser option permits clutchless change of direction with a simple flick of the steering column mounted control. With the power reverser, the operator can maintain forward or rearward vision at all times for optimum ease of use. Simple to operate controls designed with safety in mind. That's one big reason why more and more residential users are choosing the 4000 series. The Deere 4000 series offers a mid-mount mower deck that installs easily without tools and operates with the speed and consistency that makes short work of the biggest lawns. To demonstrate the mounting efficiency engineered into the John Deere deck, we compared installation and attachment on all 3 models. Thanks to easy-to-reach mounting points and a lightweight design, the John Deere deck can be removed in a fraction of the time. Those extra few minutes might not seem significant at first, but they add up quickly to provide more time to get other things done, and less time removing the deck at the end of a long, tiring workday. Operators also appreciate the Deere 4000 series for the simplicity of loader attaching and detaching. In minutes, the loader can be detached and parked in an easy-to-access position. Neither the Kubota nor the New Holland offers such easy loader parking or attachment. Plus, even with the loader attached, side panel removal is fast and easy on the 4000 series tractor. Fiat New Holland and Kubota engine checkpoints are much less accessible when the loaders are mounted. Many tasks involve entering and exiting the operator's area frequently. John Deere anticipated this and made the 4000 series safer and more convenient than the competition. The step on the New Holland tractors is difficult to see and requires extra caution as you leave the tractor. By comparison, the step on the Deere can be seen at a glance from the operator's station. Small considerations like these add up, and in the end, they're what separates the best from the competition.
We've been real happy renting John Deere tractors at Patrick Rentals. We've been renting them since about 1994. We've tried some other brands, but they just don't seem to hold up as well as these John Deeres do. The operation of the machine seems to be real operator friendly. The customers pick up on the controls on it real quickly, and sometimes we send customers out with more than one attachment, and they don't have any problem changing them over and operating the tractor. We've tried some other brands. We've had a few other competitors that we've tried with our tractors, but these John Deere seem to hold up real well, and we've been real happy with them.
No tractor application is more demanding than rental yard use. To be a contender in this competitive marketplace, a tractor has to be incredibly rugged, versatile, easy to operate, and even easier to maintain. That's why the Deere 4000 series is becoming the tractor of choice for rental yards everywhere. One of the most frequently used attachments on rental tractors is the loader. While all three manufacturers claim to have very similar loader bucket lift heights, the real test comes when it's time to load a truck. There, the actual lift height can be differentiated from the statistics. The Kubota loader bucket barely reaches the top of the truck. The New Holland manages a bit better. The John Deere 4000 series fares visibly better, thanks to better engineering. The advanced loader design allows the bucket to extend well above the hinge pin, giving it superior reach compared to the competition. Greater reach, more capacity. John Deere 4000 series tractors and loaders are the logical choice for rental yards and any other application that demands high performance from its equipment. The compact utility tractor market offers customers a lot of good choices, and one outstanding one. For all-around versatility, performance, and value, the 4000 series proves once again, nothing runs like a Deere.